Hey, what's up, guys? This is James Lynn here again. I'm going to be doing this other song by Richie Valens and Los Lobos. It's called Oh Donna. Hope you guys will enjoy this beautiful tune, and I'll be shooting some more videos towards you guys pretty soon, so just keep in touch. All right, here we go. Oh Donna, oh Donna, oh Donna, oh Donna. I had a girl, and Donna was her name. Since she left me, I have never been the same, 'cause I love my girl. Donna, where can you be? Where can you be? Now that you're gone, I'm left all alone, all by myself, to wander alone, 'cause I love my girl. Oh Donna, where can you be? Where can you be? Well, darling, now that you're gone, I don't know what I'll do, 'cause I had all my love for you. I had a girl, Donna was her name. Since she left me, I have never been the same, 'cause I love my girl. Donna, where can you be? Where can you be? Oh Donna, oh Donna, oh Donna, oh Donna, oh Donna, oh Donna. Hope you guys enjoyed that good old song, and I will be shooting you guys some more. And you guys have a good, blessed night. Thank you.